Hello everyone. In continuation with our quantitative aptitude, the next topic is profit and loss. First question, if a radio is purchased for 490 and sold for rupees 465.50, find the loss in percentage. So in this, they gave us the purchase price. So let me say, we can call that as a cost price. Cost price is rupees 490 and then sold for rupees 465.50, which means selling price is rupees 465.50. So therefore, we are supposed to calculate the loss in percentage. So loss in percentage will be our cost price minus selling price divided by cost price multiplied by 100, which is 490 minus 465.50 divided by 490 multiplied by 100. So if we calculate that, we will get 5%. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next. So here they gave us find the selling price when first part of the question, cost price is 56.25 and gain is 20%. Second part is cost price is 80.40 and loss is 15%. So first part, they gave us cost price as 56.25. Gain, that is profit, is given as 20%. So straight away we can say profit is nothing but 20% means 0.2. So to find out selling price, we can straight away multiply the cost price times 1 plus 0.2 means 56.25 times 1.2. If we do that, we will get the result as 67.50. That is the selling price. Second part, here they gave us cost price as 80.40 rupees and loss in percentage is given as 15%, which is 0.15. So if I have to calculate selling price, since the loss is 15%, which means that the seller could able to retain only 85% opposite of 15%, or you can say 1 minus 0.15. So let me write cost price into 1 minus of 0.15, and that is 80.40 times 0.85. If we calculate, we will get the selling price as 68 rupees 34 paise. Let us move on to the next question. A person incurs loss by selling 5% loss by selling a watch for rupees 1140, means selling price is given as 1140, in which the loss will be 5%. That implies that cost price, whatever may be the cost price, in that, since 5% is the loss, he could retain only 95% of his cost price, means cost price into 0.95, that can be equated to your selling price, which means cost price times 0.95 is equal to 1140, which means cost price is 1140 divided by 0.95. That will give us rupees 1200. Now, question is, at what price should the watch be sold to earn a 5% profit? So then I will call it as a new selling price, should be the cost price, and then they want 5% profit. So I need to multiply it by 1.05, which means 1200 times 1.05, and that will give us rupees 1260. Means if they sell it at 1260 to 1260, they will earn a profit of 5%. Let us move on to the next question. If the cost price is 96% of the selling price, cost price is 96% of the selling price, then what is the profit percentage they give? So we have profit, we can calculate it as, in percentage, we can calculate it as selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied by 100. So here we don't know selling price, but we know cost price in terms of selling price, which is 0.96 times selling price divided by 0.96 times selling price into 100. So in both in numerator and denominator, we have selling price as common, 1 minus of 0.96 divided by 0.96 times selling price, and then multiplied by 100. So we can now cancel this selling price and selling price. We get 1 minus 0.96 will be 0.04 multiplied by 100 divided by 0.96. If we calculate that, we will get 4.17 percentage. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next question. A man bought toffee at 3 for 1 rupee. Means 3 toffees for rupee 1. How many for 1 rupee must he sell to gain 50%? Means from this we can arrive cost price per toffee is equal to 1 by 3. Now selling price is cost price, and then he should gain 50%, which means I will multiply it by 1.5, and that is equal to 1 by 3 times 1.5, which will give you 0.5. Now, for with 1 rupee, how many toffees he can buy? So he should sell. He should sell how many? 1 divided by 0.5. That means 2 toffees he should sell. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next. Pure ghee costs rupees 100 per kg. After adultering it with vegetable oil costing rupees 50 per kg, a shopkeeper sells the mixture at rupees 796 per kg, thereby making a profit of rupees 20. In what ratio does he mix the two? First of all, they gave us the selling price of the mixture. Selling price of mixture is given as rupees 96, and then they also say at 96 they make a profit of 20%. So therefore, selling price, which is equal to cost price, and the profit is 20%, so it becomes 1.2, means 96 is equal to cost price times 1.2, which means cost price is 96 by 1.2. That will work out to rupees 80 per kg. Now they gave us how the mixture is made, means we will write cost price of 1 kg ghee this side, and that is given in this question as 100 rupees. Then we will write here cost price of 1 kg vegetable oil, that is given as rupees 50. Here we will get the mean price. We just now calculated the mixtures price, cost prices, or mean cost price, mean CP. We already calculated that to be rupees 80. So this side it will become 100 minus 80. So it is 20. This side it will become 80 minus 50, which is 30. Now, first two, they gave us the ghee cost. That means the ratio of ghee and vegetable oil will be 30 divided by 20. Sorry, 30 divided by 20, which is nothing but 3 by 2. Therefore, the ratio is 3. Ratio should be 3:2. So that is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. An article is sold at a certain price. By selling it at 2/3 of that price, one loses 10%. Find the gain in percentage at original price. Let the original price equal to our original selling price equal to X. Now, new selling price is given as 2/3 of this price, means 2 by 3 times of X. In this price, they are making a loss of 10%. Loss is 10%. So now we have new selling price is equal to cost price times 10% loss, which means only 90% is recovered from the cost, which means this will become 0.9 times of cost price. So that means 2x by 3 divided by 0.9 is equal to the cost price. Further, this can be simplified as 2x, 3 into 0.9 is 2.7. So we got this. Now, gain in percentage at original price. At original price will be the original selling price is X minus the cost price is 2x divided by 2.7. Whole thing divided by the cost price, which is 2x divided by 2.7 times 100. So if we calculate this, we will first take out x outside in the numerator. 1 minus of 2 by 2.7, denominator 2x by 2.7 into 100. X and x can be cancelled. So here we get 2.7 minus 2 divided by 2.7 divided by 2 divided by 2.7. The whole thing multiplied by 100. This and this gets cancelled. We get 0.7 into 100 divided by 2. So if we calculate this, we will get 35%. That is the solution for this particular question.